This recipe is on how to turn this dry Ponmo to this delicious peppered Ponmo. Make sure you like this video, leave your comment, share this video, follow me and subscribe. So the ingredients are tomatoes, vegetable oil, we call it groundnut oil sometimes, onions, Ponmo I also have bell pepper and cayenne pepper, thyme, curry, a handful of ugu leaves, 1 cube of seasoning cube and salt. So the first thing to do, of course, is to get the Ponmo cleaned. As you can see, this Ponmo is dried and dirty. But then don't worry, there's a way out. So I'll pour it in a bowl and add a lot of water. I'll make sure the water covers the Ponmo, and then I'll cover it and set it aside for 24 hours, after which I'll be cleaning it. So this is what the cleaned Ponmo looks like. It's now soft and neat. If you want to see how I clean my Ponmo, you can find that on my blog, theonlinecook.com. The next thing I'll be doing is to cut this Ponmo into small pieces. After cutting the Ponmo, it's time to blend my tomatoes, peppers, and onions. I'll add a little bit of water, of course, and then I'll blend to a rough texture, not too smooth. Next is the cooking part. So here's my groundnut oil. I'll heat it up briefly and then add some sliced onions. I'll fry this for a few minutes, 1-2 minutes, and then I'll go in with the blended peppers, onions, and tomatoes. I'll be adding some other ingredients too, such as thyme, curry powder, a little bit of salt, and then I'll mix this up well. But before then, let me add my seasoning cube. After adding it, I'll mix it up properly, very well, and then I'll cook it for 15 to 20 minutes or until the pepper is dried. Now, this is the texture or consistency you want your dried pepper to have, right? As you can see, it doesn't have a lot of liquid in it anymore. Now, I'm just going to put my onion slices, but if you don't like seeing onions in your food, you can ignore this part and just leave it. But I love seeing onions. I love to eat onions. So I'm adding my sliced Ponmo, and then this is my ugu leaves. This is also optional. I'll mix it well, mix it properly. By the way, if you've enjoyed my video to this point, please like my video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I add some more water, and then I'll mix it well and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Here is my Ponmo after 5 to 7 minutes. Peppered Ponmo is ready. This Ponmo is so delicious. It is a popular finger food in Nigeria because it does not have so much calories. Yeah, so many people eat it, while just hanging out in the house. They use it as a side dish for rice, beans, soups. The list is endless. Yes, but one thing I can assure you is this is a cheap, delicious finger food that you should try. Yep. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time and watching this video to the end. Yep, I appreciate you. And of course, like I always say in my videos, good food should be enjoyed always. Till I post my next video. Bye.